Hello everyone. So this video today is actually due to my US Army friend whom I met on Facebook, I think through the official Nunas of BTS. And I also met her for real at SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles. And Tina asked me to check out something in Singapore, so I did. So yesterday, I spent 1.5 hours researching this object, and I actually Googled Canada's website, Amazon, and sure enough, it's actually sold out. But I don't know if they restock. Anyway, I went out to the mall and I found this in physical stores. Almost every other camera shop had the Fujifilm Butter Instax camera printer. This wasn't the problem. It's actually a standard price, I think, everywhere. The problem was actually the film. The Butter film is practically sold out. There is actually a big store in Singapore called Challenger. Challenger only had one camera and one film. And the second shop only had a camera, zero film. And I went on and on throughout the mall, and after 1.5 hours, I managed to secure only 3 packs because the rest was selling at an astronomical price. I checked, it should be around, I think, $8 from Fujifilm, but it's such a wide range that it was wavering between $12 to $15 USD in Singapore. So I only got 3 packs, and I ordered more from other online retailers. So here we go. I'm gonna show you what actually this looks like. So comes in the strap. Camera strap itself is so cute. I'm wondering why they didn't sell this before the LA concert, because this would have been a real hit with concert goers. It is really very, very cute. And the camera itself, so camera itself is here. I don't know whether you can see the color. It's slightly peachy. It has an orangey tinge, which I don't think my camera's catching it. But super cute, I feel. And this is what it looks like. And comes with the batteries, which I'm now going to attempt to put this on. So let me do this. So Tina, don't worry if you don't like it after this video. I will keep the second camera because someone else also requested the camera. So let me try my hardest to get the camera compartment, the battery compartment open. Let me see. Okay, slot that in. All right. Can't really see the print on this side. I think it's this way. Nope. This way. Nope. So, nope. What the? Nope. Yeah, right. It's correct. It's this way. Okay. There you go. I've put it in. And now I'm going to read the instructions. So, it says to open the back of the compartment. So I will. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, is it dark? Okay. and I've already opened the film pack. This is the film pack, and there's lots of things like no fingerprint on that area, so trying to avoid that. And see, no fingerprint, which I won't. So yes, it slides in very easily, and now I'm supposed to click it shut, and that's it. So not too sure what I should do now. So let's try switching it on. The camera comes out. So there is a red light flashing, and let me figure out, because there's something that should come out from here. So I'll pause it. I'll come back to you later. Okay, so I figured it out. First of all, after you put in the film, you press this button and the lens pops out, which leads to a red light, orange light that says it's working. And then you press this button and out pops the first film or the cover of your film. Now, basically, you can't open the back anymore. If you open the back, then the film gets exposed and it's unusable. So let's see what I can take a picture of. I'll get another sample. Hang on. So here I took a picture of JK, and it's came out like this. So I'm not sure of the dimensions. So in actual fact, I thought I took a picture of it full. As you can see, it doesn't align to what I see. So you have to be careful that it's slightly up for focus. So I'll have to adjust this printing. As you can see, I didn't catch, in my viewer, it was a complete fill of JK's face, and it's not. So very interesting. This is the butter print, very cute. And let's see how dark it gets. So in addition to the camera, I realized that there are little buttons. You see this? So I think you're supposed to be putting these buttons somewhere on the camera. So I'll try to figure out where to put these best. And this is how I guess you turn it off, by simply depressing the viewfinder. So that's the camera for today. This was taken with a flash, so I'll have to figure out whether you can suppress the flash, but it's a little bit lighter than what I would like to see. So I don't know how long it's going to take for this to develop, or is this the final copy? If it is, it's not that great. So maybe I have to toggle the camera a little bit, and I'll give an update. But still super cute. A very fun camera to have. It's really very cute. Maybe it does better in actual daylight, because right now I took a photograph of this in dark corners. So let me practice a little bit more and I'll get back to you. Bye.